Impzです。What's up? Konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from Wonder Festival 2022 summer. And in this video, we take a look at this really cool resin cast kit that I saw at the kaiyodo booth. And this is the EVA-02 and this is the獣化第2形態 version, or the Beast form, second form version. And this was on sale for 35,000 yen, which is 35,000 yen. And it's a resin cast kit, so it's sold and you gotta build it and paint it and you gotta do everything. But they just provide the parts. But yeah, very good looking Beast EVA-02. I really like it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Thanks for watching.